Hello, welcome or welcome back. Either way, if you're new here or if you have been following me for a while now, I appreciate you all. Today I have another box opening, Kinder Beauty box. And per my usual, I do not remember how much this box costs. I will put it on the screen, but it is a vegan, all natural beauty, skincare, makeup, all of that kind of jazz type of a box. So let's get into it. This is what I see when I open the box. And if I take the card out, ooh, it's a book, not a card today. So I think that that's new, or maybe it's always been a fold out. Again, I get so many boxes, it's hard to remember. So that is what I see. And you open it up and it does tell you what's in it and how much everything cost. So I do want to slide a little reminder in here just because it's brand new to me. I did set up a Patreon account. What it is my subscribers. If you choose to do so, no pressure. You can donate to my channel and in return you get special things. I set up tiers, so the tiers are in there, but for example, I think it's the third tier down. If you subscribe to that tier, I will pick through those subscribers on the third tier, I will do a drawing once every 3 months, and I will pick a winner for to win a palette. So, it's just that link, or that, it's not a link because you can't click on it. So you have to copy and paste it, I guess. But that is down below. So, check it out if you're interested. I would greatly appreciate it. That would allow me to be able to keep this channel running and give out the great gifts that I do and do the giveaways that I do. So just check it out. Like I said, no pressure, but let's get into this box. So the first thing I am pulling out is Inica Loose Mineral Bronzer, and this retails for $35. Now I personally do not use bronzer, so I will pass this along. The next thing I am pulling out is, it says, I guess the brand is Dear Self, and it says, I am gleaming, and this is a moisturizer. Soothe, firm, and heal the skin with luxury vitamin C, E, and A enriched moisturizer. I Am Gleaming provides a healthy glow while layering on a host of anti-aging and anti-sun damage superstars, and it retails for $29.50. So the packaging looks like this. It's really pretty, and it does have one of these little things on it. Oh, please don't let me make a mess. Please don't make me. Okay, I didn't make too much of a mess. And it just has a nice natural scent to it. Nothing overwhelming, so it will fit right in with all of my skincare. I did kind of make a mess. Let me try to clean this up a little bit. The next thing I am pulling out here is, is empty. This is probably, yep, this is what I was smelling in the box. There's nothing in there. It was not closed all the way. I will shoot them an email about that, but let's see what it says. Tired Old Ass is Tired Old Ass Overcome Exhaustion Mist, and it retailed for $5. The next item I am pulling out is Evolve Ultra Shine Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. Oh, it's a duo. I didn't recognize that or realize that at first. Duo, and it retails for $15. The travel size duo does. So it's just a luxurious shampoo and conditioner. It visibly smooths, increases shine and elasticity while transforming texture and youthful softness and improving the hair health. So it says it's ideal for all types of hair, so that's great. These are great little travel shampoos. I do like to take, when I go on vacation, I like to take packet shampoos or travel shampoos with me. Just because a lot of times I don't care for the shampoo that they keep in hotels. Some of the nicer hotels, it's okay, but if we were just trying to stay in a hotel for the night or something, the soaps and the shampoos and conditioners typically aren't that awesome, so I do always like to pack my own. So that is great. Okay, so overall, where did everything go? Oh, I think this is a good box. In general, I do really like this box. I will be keeping the shampoo and conditioner. I will be keeping the face moisturizer, and I will be passing on the bronzer. And unfortunately, this dumped out in the box. It does smell good though. I will say that. It definitely smells good, whatever it was. So just to recap, we got the Little Moon exhaustion mist, which was $5, but it was empty. We had the Dear Self moisturizer that was $29.50. We had the shampoo and conditioner duo, which was $15. And then we had the bronzer, which was $35. So again, overall, I do think that this box is worth it. I don't know if I necessarily think that this particular box was worth it, but I do understand that it's kind of hit or miss with boxes, and sometimes they're the right one, sometimes they're not. Overall, I do like this box though. I mean, this was probably the first kind of dud for me, but even then it wasn't like an overall dud. It was just a partial dud. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Bye.